Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be covering the mid-sagittal cut of the female pelvis. We're going to go through all the numbers and then we'll come back and I'll give you a little bit more information on what we're seeing. So let's go ahead and get started. So number one, pubic symphysis. Number two is going to be the mons pubis. Number three is going to be the sacrum, which is back here. Number four is going to be labium majus or labia majora, however you want to say it, right there. Usually labium majus is talking about one of them, um, while the other one is talking about both. So we have majus and minus right there. So number 6 is going to be the glans clitoris. You see that. Number 7 is going to be the vaginal vestibule. It's right there. Number 8 is going to be the urethra. Number 9 is going to be the urinary bladder. Number 10, that is going to be your vagina. Number 11, you got your urogenital diaphragm. And that is going to be right there. And it is connecting that pubic symphysis to this tissue right here. Number 12, that is going to be the body of the uterus, which is right here. Number 13, you got the cervix. 14, that's going to be your anterior fornix of the vagina. And 15 is going to be the posterior fornix of the vagina. So you have to kind of picture that 13 is kind of like these bulbs sticking down, and it's this fornix is where that vaginal wall and that cervix kind of meet, is that corner. Whereas in the posterior, same thing, but just on the backside. Number 16 is the peritoneum, and it is this innermost layer of that body cavity. While this is your rectus abdominis, right there. 17, that is going to be your recto-urinary patch, recto-urinary pouch. Sorry, 17 is going to be your vesico-uterine pouch, while 18 is going to be your recto-uterine pouch. 19 is going to be the ovary, sitting right here, and 20 is going to be part of the oviduct, where that 20 is written directly. That is going to also be known as your fimbriae, and right here is called your ampulla. But for this picture alone, we're just depicting that this is either your oviduct, your uterine tube, or your fallopian tube. 21 is going to be the rectum. And then we've got 22 being the anal canal, and 23 being the anus. 24 is your external anal sphincter, and 25 is going to be the internal anal sphincter. And then 26, I had to write this one in, but this is going to be your suspensory ligament um, of the clitoris. A couple of other things. This right here is what's known as your round ligament of the uterus. We covered that this is your fimbriae, and this is going to be the ampulla right here. This is going to be your common iliacs, both vein and artery. I think that's it for this one. If you want the page number for a better view at it in your textbook, it's going to be page 215. And if the video was helpful, please like it. We'll see you in the next one.
All right, I just want to give credit where credit is due. These are the books and the resources I used for the videos. So first we have Essentials of Human Anatomy by Dr. Kurt Walker. We then have Essential Clinical Anatomy by Keith L. Moore and M.R. Auger and Arthur F. Daly. I also used Structure and Function of the Human Body by Mark Nilsson and Jamie Garbett. The last book I have is The Concise Book of Trigger Points by Simon Neil Asher. And then I used the app called Complete Anatomy. As you've seen from the videos, it's amazing. If you can afford it, I suggest it. It's such a useful tool when learning this stuff. So that's it. Have a good day.